What our bait looking like, Philly?
Looking alright.
Man.
So you need some?
Let's get that thing. They say about 18 to 24 inches off the bottom. Keep raising them bobber.
Then you want them to.
I just want to get a boat out here and go on the boat.
Let's see who catch that first fish. It's the expert fishing, man.
You know, I can right here. No, yeah.
Probably gotta raise that bobber. I think it's gonna be way deeper than that, yo.
All the way up to where it's
Not yet. They said some crappies out here. Did you get him a flyer? The boaters right there? The two boaters right there?
Yeah.
No, they make the same one. Them two, the other people. Go get them.
No,
They just talked to Scoop. Go get them. Hook them up. Go get them. Tell them you AAU basketball team. You're looking for donations and sponsors. Donate to y'all program, huh? Yeah.
I think those are rentals. Like all these boats. Dad, how much would you think it is? Oh, look, I just
Look, you just got to bite. They right at the bank.
happy, happy, happy.
That's definitely high. What was your campaign, Dose? What'd y'all say?
We're AU basketball team.
What'd you say, G, man? What's your campaign? What's your spiel? What's your spiel?
Hi, we're the AU basketball team in Canfield. You check us out. We be fishing, we hoop, we cook, we do all types of things. And yeah, you should check it out.
You tell them to subscribe to your channel?
Yeah.
You said subscribe to your channel? Okay. You tell them we're looking for donations and sponsors? Ain't that what the kids hit you with when you walk to the store? Hey, man, you know, I play for Baldwin Hills.
Yeah, I did that.
Y'all can campaign your business. You at the bottom already. You see how that line up? You can pull your bobber down some side. Oh, do y'all got a split shot on it? Is it sinking? You said what? Do it the bobber?
Making me want to ride a boat.
Yeah, I think so. If they grab it, it's gonna go under. Cathedral Bridge. St. John's Bridge.
You wouldn't go too far down.
Sunset to sunrise. This is daily grind on an explosive vibe with hope in your eyes. It ain't no surprise. Baptized by the game young. Fast fast money. In the cup. You might have to cast out a little farther. See, try casting out a little farther. Maybe they ain't the bank. Maybe they out there a little bit.
Any luck?
At least one of y'all. I think more they be over in something like that.
Wait, what is the? Oh yeah, hospital.
Somewhere where it's some little cover and duck off like type. Like over here some type. Over here by this wooded little woo-wop.
Did y'all still buy the bucket?
From dusk to dawn, it's a daily grind. Don't need a strong survivor. Hope in their eyes. It ain't no surprise. Baptized by the game. Young. Fast money. Head strain. Maintain. You know the slick talk, quick games. I'm the new breed thinking at the speed of things. Hey, somebody tell me what a woe life means. And I won't stop, you know, I can't stop. You know, I won't stop rapping, you know, I can't stop. You do the man. You said what? You know, you could take that bobber off too. You could try it without that bobber on there, right? And watch that line one time for your mind. Feel me? And let that thing sink to where it's supposed to be, right? Pull it up off that bottom, man. If it don't grab it by the time it hit the bottom, then you gotta move it about it, right? Gotta bounce it off the ground one time. It's going down. God bless the child that can hold his own. I'm up on the mobile phone, just to own a home. Boom. Gotta experience this new terrain, man, you know? Fearless the fishing guide. Looking to catch his first catch in the great Northwest, in the great city of Portland, Oregon. Tuned in to Fearless 11. Messiah looking to catch his first fish in his third state. Got some nice pose. I wonder if y'all can fit them in y'all bags.
And these are nice boats. I'm gonna put a little bit more weight on there.
I think that might be what it needs.
You sure?
Put you another split shot on there, though. You only got one split shot on there? You see how rough this water is? I definitely would put a double split shot to make it do what it's supposed to do. Scoopy-doopy-doo! He's raining threes from outside. Triangle, kick. Scoop Elton, y'all need to be in them corners with y'all knees bent and y'all hands out ready. So when it comes to you catch and shoot, man, make it do what it's supposed to really do. Ooh. One time for your mind. Feel like you on the boat, huh?
It feel like it.
If you was on the boat, this is just what it'd be doing while you fishing. Rocking. Nice little stingray right there. Quick little 10 bands. 10 bando stingray.
And no bobber?
That's all right. He trying without a bobber. You try with a bobber. You know, we gonna figure it out, man. We're gonna figure it out, man.
I might need more with
I feel the bottom.
Scoop it, doop it down. this boathouse, Scoop. See how you back that thing in? Unloop it. Loop it and you out. The main thing is this the boat dock. You know what I mean? It's a boat dock.